Hi children, how are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, in this class we are going to see about food and hygiene. Let's see one by one. Children, can you tell me why do we need food? Listen, our body needs energy to do any work. For example, we need energy for playing, studying, and even for sleeping. Children, can you tell me where do we get this energy from? Yes, food gives us the energy we need for carrying out all our activities. Children, listen. All living beings eat food to get energy. The food that we get changed into energy. Listen, this energy is used to carry out different functions of our body. Listen, children, we cannot live without food. Children, can you tell me what is the importance of food? Listen, food gives us energy. Then, food helps us to fight disease. Food helps us to grow. Food keeps us healthy and fit. Children, now we are going to recall about types of food. There are energy giving food, body building food, protective food, water and roughage. Let's recall one by one. See, energy giving food. Children, can you tell me what is meant by energy giving food? Yes, you are right. The food items which gives us energy are called energy giving foods. For example, rice, wheat, sugar, maize, etc. Children, can you tell me what is meant by bodybuilding food? Yes, you are right. Listen, the food that helps our body to grow taller and stronger is called bodybuilding food. For example, milk, curd, cheese, eggs, nuts, dal, fish, meat, food grains, pulses, peas, etc. Listen, bodybuilding foods helps our body to repair itself. When we are unwell or when any of the body parts is hurt. Children, can you tell me what is meant by protective food? Listen, food that keeps us healthy and protect us from disease is called protective food. For example, green leaves, vegetables, fruits, meats, apple, pulses, etc. Children, can you tell me what is meant by water and roughage? Listen, we must drink about 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Our body also get water from many vegetables and fruits. So, water is important as it helps different parts of our body to work well. Listen, whole grain, cereals, green and raw vegetables and fruits that we eat contain a very important substance called roughage or fiber. Listen, roughage helps our body to carry out the process of digestion smoothly. Children, now we are going to see about balanced diet, being healthy. Listen, the meals we eat should include some food of each kind. A balanced diet is the one that has energy giving food items, body building food items, productive food items, enough water and roughage. Children, see the balanced diet. Milk is a complete food. We must drink milk daily. Children, observe the picture and listen. We should keeping food clean. Listen, food should always be kept covered. If we keep food uncovered or in the open, flies and insects sit on it and leave germ which they bring from dirty place. So, if we eat food that has germs and dust in it, so we can fall sick. Children, observe the picture and listen. Washing vegetables and fruits. We must wash vegetables and fruits before eating them. Washing them well with water removes all the harmful substance and germs from the food. Observe the picture and listen. Washing hands. Listen, dirty hands carry germs which we cannot see. These germs cause illness. So, we must wash our hands with soap before and after eating. Children, observe the picture and listen. Keeping utensils clean. Listen, the utensils used for cooking, and for eating should always be washed well before use. So, you should serve food in the clean dishes only. Observe the picture and listen. Eating fresh food. It is always good to eat freshly cooked food. So, cooked food should be eaten soon after it is cooked. Otherwise, germs grow on them and make them food unfit for eating. So, cooked food must therefore be stored in the refrigerator if it has to be eaten later. The cold temperature in the refrigerator does not allow germs to grow. Hence, it stays fresh for a longer time. Children, now it's time for homework. Do question number 5, 6, page number 7 in workbook. The question is, why is food important for our body? Next, why should we drink plenty of water? Next, one more question. Do question number 7, page number 7 in workbook. The question is, identify and write what is wrong with the picture. Should we eat this food? Listen, how should we keep our food? Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.